If we don't have this investment, then all of the other things we are doing are not going to be nearly as effective as they should.
County officials are shifting what they do in jails, spending $25 million to address the underlying causes of addiction and mental health during and continuing after incarceration.
Right now, we have very limited medically assisted treatment programs in the jails, primarily for our pregnant females.
Undersheriff Kelly Martinez says around 160 county health workers will be brought into jails, offering treatment to inmates who have substance abuse issues.
Right now, they don't have any kind of program that'll bring them down off of those drugs. They just have to come off of the drugs on their own. So this will provide them some other medications that will make that easier.
The new plan calls for people to be screened for substance abuse disorders, then be offered participation in the treatment program. County Behavioral Health Services Director Luke Bergman says if people accept, they will be offered medication prescribed by a doctor.
That medication has huge amounts of evidence behind it. It really, really works. It works in community settings. Evidence has demonstrated that. It works in jail settings.
Bergman says just having people going through withdrawals is not ideal.
They will often be at elevated risk of relapse if they have had opioid use disorder, and also at elevated risk of overdose and overdose death.
Supervisor Nathan Fletcher, who helped get funding and additional staff for the program, gave a hypothetical example of a heroin user going through withdrawals in jail.
There's nothing that is dealing with that underlying issue. And so when they get released, they go back out on the street, and the first thing that they have to do is go find heroin. But their tolerance has been lowered because they've been incarcerated. And so the mortality tables will show you're more likely to overdose if you were in jail.
Part of the program involves offering treatment after people are released from jail. The changes haven't started yet, and officials say it will take some time to implement them countywide. Matt Hoffman, KPBS News.